Hi friends, today I am going to tell you something about the colostrum. Colostrum is the first milk secreted by the mammary gland after the childbirth. So this milk has a lot of qualities and is very vital for the child. It contains a lot of things. It is highly nutritious. The maximum amount of content is the protein and the fat content is less. Other than this, it contains antibodies and immune cells, which both are required to help the child to so as to fight against the infection, to fight against a lot of diseases. So when the colostrum is being taken in by the child, it also helps the child to pass the feces, which is known as meconium of the child. Colostrum also helps out to remove the bilirubin out of the body, and thus it prevents the child from the neonatal jaundice. It also contains vitamin A, the first oral vaccine against the polio virus, which was known as Sabin. It was manufactured from the bovine colostrum. The bovine colostrum means the colostrum which we obtain it from the cows and buffalo is also eaten. And later in the video I am going to tell you a recipe being prepared by my mother, and that in India is known as Khees, and it is very tasteful, and I am going to tell you that how to prepare it. So the first milk, the colostrum, must be given to the children, because in some of the countries that it is not being given out, but it should be given, as it protects the child from a lot of infectious diseases. Now have a look at the recipe. Hi friends, the yellowish milk that you see is the colostrum, the first milk, and this is the bovine colostrum, and we are going to prepare the Khees. In India it is known as the Khees, and a recipe. First of all, what you are going to do is that put it in a container and add some water, and after that heat it, and while heating keep on stirring the content. So when it is being heated, as I told you earlier, that it contains a lot of proteins. So after that, due to the heat, the coagulation of proteins takes place, and this coagulated proteins, you can see it is seen here as something thickness, some thick thing developing over there, and this is actually the coagulated protein. And later on it is heated further, so that you can get a cheese-like thing, and after that it is being heated further. If required, water is added and the sugar is added. You have to keep it stirring, and when it is properly cooked, it is served so that people can eat, and it is really very tasty, and you get a very less opportunity to eat it, because after once in a year a buffalo gives birth to the child, and you get this